Welcome back, everybody, to the Teach Me channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about Blink 2024, the truth about Blink in 24. Blink has changed so much over the years. So if you are considering buying a home video surveillance system, maybe you want Blink, maybe you don't. We're going to talk about that today. If you have been a Blink owner for a while, then we definitely expect to hear from you in the comments below. Maybe there's some things that I missed so that you can make the record straight there in the comment section below. Or if you have any questions, make sure that you do. Leave them in the comment area below. We're going to have a party there. All right. So Blink 2024. Why should you buy a Blink camera, or why shouldn't you buy one? First, let's go ahead and just talk about it. This is the 4th generation of the Blink camera, which of course is a wireless camera. There are no wires here. It has within it 2 AA lithium batteries, Energizer lithium batteries, which Blink says will last you 2 years of normal use. So you can mount this on a tree, on the house, on the mailbox, wherever you can find Wi-Fi signal on your property. And it's going to communicate with the Blink app and let you know when something is moving. And if you have a subscription plan, we'll talk about that. If you have a subscription plan, it's going to record, right? It's going to send the signal to the sync module, and from the sync module to the cloud. Now, the sync module is connected to the internet directly, and it has a USB port to help store, it should store camera footage, backup camera footage. And there should always be a running tally in the app, so that lets you know when you need to change out that sync, change out the USB. But if you have one 256 gigs, it's going to be a minute because all the clips are short. They're in Blink size. They're Blink size. So they're going to be, what, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, maybe even a minute. So it takes a lot of those clips to fill up USB. Is Blink right for you? One thing that you'll know, if you need a camera system that allows you to see in the yard or see wherever you have it, whether in the living room or wherever in the garage, it will allow you to see it. And it will also notify you when something's moving there. If that's all you want, to see something and to be notified, to notify when something's moving and click in the app and see it, then hey, Blink is right for you, and don't worry about paying any sort of subscription. If all you want to do is be notified and see, that's it, then Blink is for you. In the perfect scenario, I would say, if at all possible, buy a hardwired system. There are a number of good hardwired systems. The price is a little bit more, and of course, you may have to have someone professionally install it, or you may be able to install it yourself. But having a hardwired system allows you to see your camera footage, especially when you're at home. You can wire that up to a television or a monitor in your home, and you can have those cameras up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you ever want to know what's going on, it's always on the monitor. Unless something happens, it's always there. But with a wireless camera system, because it is wireless, and it is depending on batteries. In many cases, there are exceptions. It's depending on the battery power. It's not going to let you look at the live footage continually, right? Because it's on battery power. Now, when it is hooked in to a power source, and if it's Blink, you can, in many cases, and we'll look at this, see the live image up to 90 minutes. In other cases, you can only see live images up to maybe 5 minutes. We'll see that in the subscription plan there. So if you need wireless security, if you want something simple, you're a newbie, so to speak, you just want something simple to hook up to an app and put it around the house and be done with it. And I would say Blink. Blink on, buddy, blink on. I think it'll be fine. All right. But if you want something more secure, then I would suggest And if you need to know what's going on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you don't want to blink. You want the whole continuous feed. Do not buy this camera system. Do not buy, I would say, almost any wireless camera system. If you need something like that, that's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you need all the footage. You need weeks of footage, even a month or so of footage, uninterrupted footage. Wireless camera system, as of right now, is not going to do that for you, but only a wired camera system will. So if you don't have that high risk of security, then let's go for a Blink. This is going to be simple. It's going to be simple, and it's a pretty good system, if you don't mind paying a subscription plan. So let's talk for a moment about the subscription plan and if you want to do it. All right, so first of all, there are two separate plans. There's a monthly plan and a yearly plan. Which one is right for you? If you only have one camera, and you're only going to have one camera, well, then you might as well go on the Amazon Basic, the Blink Basic plan, which covers one camera, one sync module, or it could be for you one doorbell cam, and that could be it. So if you just want one camera, one sync module, then let's go for the Blink Basic plan. Now, that's $3 a month if you want to pay monthly. If you don't want to pay monthly, that's $30 a year, $30 a year for one camera. And doing that will allow you to have certain features, and we'll talk about that in a second. If you have more than one device, maybe you have a camera and a doorbell, or maybe you have 3 cameras and a doorbell, well, then you will probably need the Blink Plus plan. Now, the Blink Plus plan will cover all devices on your account, all devices on your Blink account. So if you have 5, if you have 10, if you have 15 Blink cameras, the Plus plan will handle that. Now, the Plus plan is $10 a month or $100 a year. Of course, you'll save more when you buy annually. And of course, when you get the subscription, you can cancel at any time and get a refund on the unused portion of the plan. So that's pretty good. So you may be in a case where you may be going out of town and normally you don't have a Blink plan and you just want to be notified and see, and that's fine. That's fine. But you're going out of town and you want to be notified and record, because that's one thing that you'll notice on the Blink plan, that it only records on subscription. It does not record without a subscription. So let's talk about that. I hope I'm not going too fast on this, because I really want you to get this. And of course, write down in the comments below if I need to make some things clearer on the next time. I'll do that. We can make another one if we have to, no problem whatsoever. So let's talk now about the plans, all right, and what is right for you. So if you say, I just want to buy the camera and be done with it, just be done with it. I want to put the cameras up, 1 camera, 5 cameras, 10 cameras, and be done with it. You can do that. You can do that. Just know that it won't record. So as you see, without a plan, we are extremely limited. Without a plan, you notice that there's only 1 check here in the entire row as we compare the plans. There are 3 plans, of course, or 3 methods, one without a plan, and the other, the Blink Basic plan, and the other one, Blink Plus plan. Now, so without a plan, the only thing these cameras will do is notify you through the Blink app that something is going on, something is moving. That's it. It will notify you, and it will give you up to 5 minutes of live viewing. After the 5 minutes of live viewing, you have to simply restart it again or press stop. It's going to automatically stop, and you got to hit play again to continue the live footage. But it will show you 5 minutes at a time. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to record what's going on your phone, on the app, you can, if you want to, you can use a screen recorder. You're going through a lot of trouble, but you can record your screen through some sort of screen recorder. and you may miss something, but eventually you'll get it as you record your screen. So that's one way of getting around that maybe, but it's troublesome. But if you have a good screen recorder that's on standby, hey, you can get it. That's one method of doing it, or simply get another type of camera system altogether. But we're talking about the Blink. So let's look now. So that's all that you get without the plan. So let's look at the basic plan now. The basic plan covers a lot more. Now this, of course, let me move these cameras up just a little bit more. And let's talk about the basic plan and what it actually covers. So the basic plan, of course, you're going to get the same motion activation, and it's going to alert you. But after it alerts you, it will record. It will record. So that's a good thing. And those images are stored on the cloud, and it's good to go. Now, with the basic plan, you have the basic along with the Amazon Plus or the Blink Plus plan. You will have 90 minutes of continuous viewing, 90 minutes of continuous live streaming. Now, here is your first point that a lot of people don't see. If you notice, right next to the word continuous, at the end of the word continuous, by that S, there is an asterisk. An asterisk tells you that something's up here. Look further down the page. Well, if we look further down, we'll see at the very bottom, we see applicable to mini and wired floodlight cameras. So if you have one of these that has no wires, if you're not hooking this into permanent power in the floodlight or as a mini, you're not going to have that 90 minutes. It's going to stop, just like maybe you get that 5 minutes, but you won't have 90 minutes. The 90 minutes of live streaming are only for the mini, the Blink Mini, and the wired floodlight cameras. Let me give you one big difference between the Plus and the Basic is that the Plus plan gives you an unlimited number of cameras or devices. The Basic plan, you can only have one camera, one device there. All right, going on down the list there, you have with the Basic and Plus plan, you have 60 days unlimited viewing history. I love that. Video history. You have local storage backup on the Basic and Plus plan. Even though you may have a sync module with the USB, that's not going to work unless you have a subscription. That wasn't like that before, but it is like that now. There's a change there in 24. All right. Rapid video access. You have that for both the Basic and the Plus plans. Video sharing. You have that for the Video and Plus plans. Is something funny going on outside you want to share with a family member or a friend? Well, you can share it if you have a Basic or Plus plan. You cannot do that if you don't have a plan. Or something's going on that you need to share with the police. Hopefully not. But if so, you can do that if you have the Basic or Plus plans. Now, also photo capture. Photo capture is also available with Basic and Plus plans. But here we go. We got two other asterisks right by the capture. It says this is applicable to indoor, outdoor, and video cameras. Now, this next one, person detection. And there are three asterisks there. Feature applicable to Blink Outdoor 4 and Blink floodlight cameras. All right, going on down. Custom notifications. That's only available in the Blink Plus plan, custom notifications, and 10% off Blink products or other Blink devices, only Plus plan, and last extended warranty, only available on the Plus plan. Your camera is outside the warranty period. If you bought it new from Blink, not a third party, you bought it new from Blink or from Amazon, and it has gone past the warranty period on the camera. If you have a Plus plan, it will extend the warranty. You can send it back and get another one. So the warranty is extended. So once again, do you want a Blink camera? Now, there are some drawbacks with Blink. We've talked about that. One, of course, batteries, but that's with all wireless cameras. But secondly, Blink has some other issues, namely sometimes when you go to look through the camera, you get a notification and you log on to the camera, you hit the play button. Sometimes it will spin and spin and spin and spin, but that may be just internet stuff, right? And then eventually it will show you what's going on. Sometimes it won't show you what's going on at that very moment. Sometimes it may say camera busy, and you simply have to wait until the camera is no longer busy to see what happened. I know it. It is something crazy. Comment below if that has happened to you. But other times it can just putter along just fine. That sometimes is the exception, but not the rule. No camera system is going to be absolutely perfect. I'll tell you that now, but there are some that works better than others. So if you're entering the market, you say, I don't have a lot of security concerns. I just want to see who's at the door, what's going on in my front yard, and what's going on in the backyard. I just want to see what's going on. If that's you, then I would say go ahead and get a Blink. And I think you'll be pretty happy with it. But if you have other security concerns, higher needs, theft going on in your area, and you need to see something continually, run away from this and find, if possible, a hardwired camera system. I think it's really going to be better for you. All right, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment area below. I would love to talk to you. I'm very active in the comment area for the first few weeks after the video has been posted. So if you got a question, make sure that you definitely jot that down and send it to me, and I'll be glad to comment back to you and give you the answer as best I can. All right, join me next time. We're going to have more Blink news, as you know we do right here on the Teach Me channel. Until next time, be safe out there. All right, see ya.
If you want to watch more tech videos, click this link. I also teach the Bible, and I enjoy doing that very much. If you want to watch one of those videos, click this link.